Hydrangea here. So I wanted to show you a fun project today. This is actually a front yard of one of my clients. We installed a garden for them in the backyard about 4 years ago, and they reached out to me and they were looking to do something in the front yard as well. It's really overgrown and there are a lot of leggy shrubs there. So and it just doesn't look really nice. So anyway, I am going to be planting their front yard today, and I actually have a group of college students helping me. They're really sweet and inquisitive and smart, and I've been working with them a couple of times, and I'm so happy with their work. So anyway, I'm going to show you the project site next, and of course I have my plants already in the back seat as per usual. Hey guys, so this is the site. As you can see, the shrubs are really overgrown and they became leggy. Anything that becomes leggy like this isn't really worth saving. So we're going to be ripping everything out from this point on and putting all the new shrubs. So it's the end of the day, and everything has been planted and mulched and watered. I'm really tired, and I'm actually going to take a video of the finished product tomorrow because the light is kind of weird right now and I have to water it tomorrow anyway. So I'll see you then. Alright, so this is the space now. This is the new front garden. I really love how it turned out. So in the before video, there was another shrub just like this right over here, and it is one of these really prickly hollies, and it was really overgrown over there, so it was not really pleasant to walk on these steps, so we decided to remove it. I decided to keep this one. It's in a decent shape. It provides privacy from the neighbor's driveway. And it's looking good. We pruned it a little bit and it stays. So the idea behind this design is to have an evergreen shrubbery next to the house, and then a layer of blooming plants in front of it, and then a layer of blooming perennials in front of that. So I'm going to go over the plants a little bit here with you. So this holly right here, this is a holly. It is one of the soft-leaved ones. This is a Compacta, and the flowers, the shrub in front of it is Bloomstruck hydrangea, and it is a hydrangea that blooms on both old wood and new wood. So if you have tough winter and the old branches freeze or die, you will still have blooms because the new growth will have blooms right here. And another thing, after we planted these yesterday, I put in some aluminum sulfate to keep these blossoms blue, because that's what the homeowner prefers, because I could see like this already started turning pink. You could just go to Home Depot and buy one of those bags that has the blue hydrangea on it. So that's the Bloomstruck hydrangea. Now this plant right here, the white Gaura, is one of my favorite plants. They are really drought tolerant, really tough plants, really pretty. I love the texture of it. They look like butterflies. In fact, the cultivar is called Whirling butterflies. And this plant right here is Geranium Rozanne, and it's in my top 10 favorite perennials. It blooms all summer long, so it has sterile flowers, which means it does not produce seeds, which also means it doesn't have to spend its energy on the next generation. So it kind of puts all of its energy out into blooms. And over here, I did plant few phenomenal lavender, and right over here there's a phantom hydrangea. Phantom hydrangeas have one of the biggest blooms out of all hydrangeas. I think they're like 18 inches long, something like really ridiculous. But anyway, I'm really pleased with this garden, and the homeowners texted me last night and they told me that they're really pleased with it as well. So I can't wait for it to fill in. I'm watering it today because we have a very hot weekend coming, so I want to make sure that it's nice and watered.